Tired of Walmart telling you that you're in the wrong place, even when you're not? Let's kick those location restrictions to the curb and get you back to shopping. First things first, let's double-check your location services. Head over to your phone settings app. This is usually symbolized by a gear icon. Scroll down until you find privacy, then tap on it from there. Select location services. Make sure location services is toggled on now. Find the Walmart app in the list below. Tap on the Walmart app and you'll see different options like always while using the app or never while using the app is usually the best bet. But if you're still having trouble, try always temporarily to see if it fixes the issue. Still stuck? Your VPN might be the culprit. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting from it. Some VPN servers can cause location confusion for apps like Walmart. If that works, try switching to a different VPN server closer to your actual location. And that's it. Walmart should now recognize your location, granting you full access to all the features. Happy shopping! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.